I'm Erica.
And I'm Denny.
Today's tutorial is expressions to use when something goes wrong. So let's give it a try. Oh no, I completely forgot I have an English exam today.
Shoot. Ouch, my shoulder hurts.
Oh, you poor thing. Shoot, I totally forgot it was my mom's birthday.
Oh my gosh, you better call her.
I know. Gosh.
Yuck, this coffee tastes disgusting.
Oh, throw it away.
I think I will.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I left my keys at home.
Oh no, not again.
I know.
God.
Well guys, you can see this information at course 15 here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 242-4158. See you next time.
Bye.